Hey y'all, we got another mail order today in this hot sweltering heat of July. This is going to a Tom O out of Clarksville, Georgia. It is a 2060 Mr. Gasket chrome breather cap. So Mr. Tom, we appreciate the order. Got you a sticker to our main channel, Dixie Customs. Check that out if you don't mind. Beth wrote you a note on the back side of it. We're going to get this stuck down in here and shipped out for you so you can get your project back underway. We do appreciate the order. And we'll get this in the mail to you in the morning, so you should have it before the end of the week. So we got it boxed up, we got your label on it, and we'll be shipping it out to you tomorrow. Thanks for your order. Check out our main channel and look forward to doing business with you again in the future. Thank you, sir.